Good day student. Now we are going to continue the mineral processing unit 2 section 4. Course outcome is different type of crushers and its operational methods for 5th sem mining students. Now we will go to the section 4 Gayatri crusher. It is also one main type of primary crusher in the ore processing plant. The conical member moves eccentrically with the circular chambers. Now you see in the figure, the main shaft is adjustable screw. The main shaft which will run in the eccentrical manner. Feed takes place at the top, both sides, and it having a concave mirror type. This one, and cone in the center. This crushing chamber is the length of crushing chamber. When the main shaft it moves in the eccentrical manner, means the discharge takes place after crushing. Size gap is this, and after discharging this will come in this direction. We will see the operation, this one. Now we will see the video of Gayatri crusher. The main shaft, spider, which from this side the feed will take place, the big size material. After crushing to the conical concave crushing area, it will comes to the liquid outside. We'll see the principle of Gayatri crusher. The eccentric sleeves is rotated by the main shaft, and as the sleeve rotates, the spindle weaves out a conical path and the crushing head attached to the spindle gyrates within the concave shell. When the Gayatri crusher runs empty, the suspended spindle is free to rotate as and when the material is freed. The spindle is cheesed between the crusher head and concave shell and evenly rotate cheesed, and hence gyration only became an action or motion, causing the crushing head to approach the concave shell, and hence the crusher takes place. The Gayatri crusher are continuous in operation when compared to jaw crusher, and they run more smoothly with larger crushing capacity, about 500 TPH, tons per hour. The power consumption is around 750 kilowatt and reduction ratio is 15:7. Now next we will go to the cone crusher. Cone crusher is nothing but it is a secondary crusher. The crushed material which comes from the primary crusher, again it will go into process of cone crushing, secondary material crushing. you can see in the video. To a fine or required size of the material. Now we will see one video graphs regarding cone crusher. This contains multi-action technology, piston and rotation rolling. See the material, the crushed material which comes from the top feeding to this one, and due to the rotation of the center cone, again it will crush it to the targeted size. This is the maximize production and even the feed control. Now we will come to the roller crusher. It is a secondary crusher like of cone crusher, and it is known as secondary gyratory crusher. It consists of moving spindle mounted inverted truncated cone. You can see already this is a crushed material. Again we want to reduce the size of the material. We will go for the roller crusher. Again it will reduce the size of the material to the targeted required quantity. Again, double roller crusher. This type of crusher consists of two heavy cylinder or rollers which are horizontally mounted, having teeth on its circumferences. These rollers revolves towards each other. You can see the revolves opposite directions. As the feed is given to the crusher, the feed forced and ripped down through the rollers. The material crushed by friction. The reduction ratio of roller crusher ranges from 2:1 to 10:1. However, the reduction ratio 4:1 to 6:1. The common for this type of crusher. Roller crusher are commonly used in crush medium hard material. You can see the double roller crusher. You can see the two motors with the double crusher, double roller crusher, rotor hammer crusher. The feeding size available 1.2 meter to 2.6 meter. You can see the crusher in 360-degree rotations. You can see the rotation of the two rollers, double rollers in opposite direction. In center, anvil is there. This is the crushing gap. This great baskets, the bottom, through which the output of the material it will go, discharge. Now we end the session 4. Now we will go to the questions. Explain the gyratory crusher. Explain cone crusher and its working. Explain roller or impact crushers. Now we came to the end of the 4th session, student. Thank you. Now we will continue next session in another topics. Thank you.